Okay.
What to
Rukma, can you hear me?
what to tell?
The answer of addition is known as dash. What it is? Last class we had studied. Yes. Sum. Yes. S-U-M. Sum.
Please
Okay.
disappear that anybody is chatting.
Who is chatting? Please. No need to chat. Okay. You have to write it in your notebook, not here. Chatting, no need. Okay. Everyone understood?
Yes. Okay.
Yes. Okay. So let's start today's class. So last class we had studied addition. Addition means putting together to find the total number. And the answer of addition is called sum. And the numbers to be added are known as addends. Okay. These many things we had studied last day's class. Okay. So today you are going to study two-digit addition. So before that, all of you please take your maths textbook. Please take your maths textbook, term 1, part 1, and page number 43. Page number 43.
Okay, ma'am. Which book, ma'am?
Maths textbook, page number 43. You can see this page, isn't it? You can see this page. You can see on the screen.
Ma'am, 43 or 44?
43.
Ma'am, I did this because simply I did it.
Oh, yes, you have already completed. Okay.
Which page number, ma'am?
Page number 43, you can see this picture. You can see some animals, some boys and girls.
Some dolls and tiny creatures.
Yes. Okay, so let me ask to Prithvi first. Prithvi, you already completed, so you can tell it first. The first picture, how many animals you can see?
There are
There are?
17 animals.
Yes.
And
17 animals. Then
in the other one, there are 11 animals.
11 animals. Okay. So what is
Answer is 28.
17 plus 1 is
Ma'am, which book?
maths textbook.
Page number?
Page number 43.
Ma'am, what?
Page number 43.
Ma'am, workbook or textbook?
Textbook.
Ma'am, 28. 28.
17 plus 11, we can add here 17 plus 11. 7 plus, we have to start adding from the ones place, right? So 7 plus 1 is 8. And the tens place numbers are 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer is 28. Okay.
Answer is
Yes, I have to tell you one thing. Please don't unmute in between. I will call the students' names. That student only have to unmute and tell the answer. Others,
okay, ma'am.
otherwise, it will be a disturbance for everyone, right? So I will call your names. That time only unmute and tell me. Okay. Next one, Devarsh. Devarsh ke Sahil. Devarsh,
Yes, ma'am.
please unmute, my dear. Please
Yes, ma'am.
unmute. Okay, then tell the next picture how many boys you can see in the first box. First box, what is the number?
10.
It is
10.
10. Very good. 10. And in the next one, how many girls are there?
12.
Yes, 12. So 10 plus 12, we have to add 10 plus 12.
22.
10 plus 12 is,
22.
yes, very good. 22 is the answer. So all of you write it in the textbook. The answer is 22.
I wrote it as 24.
No, no.
Page number?
Page number 43. Next, Lakshana.
Not 24.
Yes, please unmute and tell the next question. How
Okay, ma'am.
in the picture? First
Okay.
picture, see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12.
Yes, 12 are there. And in the next one,
Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13.
13. Okay, so add these two numbers, 12 plus 13.
Okay. 12.
So we should add from the ones place. So 2 plus 3 is
Is 5.
5. And 1 plus 1 is,
27.
so
25.
answer is 25. Okay. Next question for Prayaga. Prayaga, please unmute, my dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me the first picture. How many are there? How many pictures are there? 21. Okay, 21. Then, and the next one?
10.
10.
10.
Okay, 10. So we have to add 21 plus 10. 21 plus 10.
Ma'am,
Yes?
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
What happened?
21.
Ah, yes. Ones place numbers are 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 1 itself. Then tens place 2 plus 1 is
2.
2 plus 1 is
3.
3. Yes, 31 is the answer.
3.
Okay, 31 is the answer. So all of you complete fast. Those who finished, please be silent.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Let everyone complete. After that, we will write some questions in our maths notebook. So those who have completed, please take your maths notebook and be ready to write.
Alvin completed.
Yes, no need to tell like that. I can understand. So all of you take your maths notebook for writing. Take a fresh page.
Ma'am.
Yes. So I hope everyone completed this page.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, no. Fresh page have been out take.
Take
Ma'am.
page. Okay. Yes, Aman.
Ma'am. I have not.
Where's your notebook? Where's your notebook?
My
My home. So where you are now? So any book is there? Any rough book is there that you can take now?
Ma'am.
Yes, Ishan.
Ma'am, please share the board. I am not finished.
Okay.
Has space here. Check mark.
To take new page.
Okay, ma'am. Space to write, ma'am.
Take a new page and be ready to write. I will share the board now.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. So next I'm going to write a heading, addition of 2-digit numbers. So you can start writing in the new page. Addition of.
At this right?
Yes, right. All of you start writing addition of 2-digit numbers.
Ma'am, number or numbers?
Numbers.
Ma'am, this is heading.
Yes, this is the heading. Addition of two-digit numbers. After that, in the next line, you have to start. While adding two numbers.
Slow. What is this, right?
Sorry,
Slowly, right? Is read WHIA.
WHILE, while adding, ADDING, adding two numbers.
Ma'am, two spelling right?
EWO,
Okay.
while adding two numbers. All,
Ma'am, day to day.
yes, my dear.
What is the day?
Ma'am,
22.
Today is 22.
Not the date. Day, ma'am, day.
Today's day is Friday. You don't know.
No, ma'am.
Today is Friday, 22nd October 2021. While adding two numbers, always begin from
I'm always spelling.
ALWAYS. From the ones place. Who is this Shankar? Please tell your name. Shankar.
Shankar name is Shankar, ma'am.
Shankar itself.
Yes.
Okay. There.
Ma'am, why adding two numbers and next spelling?
Always. ALWAYS.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay, those who completed, please be silent. Let everyone complete.
Ma'am, it is Shankar Krishna.
Shankar Krishna. Okay.
Ma'am, E-G-I-N.
Begin. B-E-G-I-N. Begin.
That is I completed, ma'am. Begin filling from. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, do that is the full stop, ma'am. In the ones place, there is a full stop.
Yes, that's a full stop.
I read this.
Okay. So next, after this, write in the next line.
I'm not finished.
Okay. Just slightly I am moving this. Okay.
I'm this right.
Yes, those who finish, write the next line. Add the following. Question number A.
Ma'am, add the following
Yes.
heading.
Yes. Write the heading. Add the following.
Ma'am, what is the following spelling?
Following. Then write tens and ones. When you are writing tens and ones, tens will be in one box, ones will be in the other box. Just for showing, I'm drawing the boxes. You don't want to draw the boxes, okay? It's
Okay,
already
ma'am.
there in your book. So just I'm showing
Okay.
45 plus 22.
No writing the box.
You have to, no need to draw the boxes. It's already there.
Yes.
Isn't it? Yes.
Line.
So no need to draw the boxes. Write the question.
No, ma'am, it's not there. 67 is the answer.
Okay, let
In
me,
the notebook, it's not there, ma'am.
yes, let me ask you one by one. Ivania Rose, please unmute. Ivania.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me how to add. We have to start adding from the ones place, right? So here,
Yes.
these are the ones place numbers.
5, 2.
5 and 2. Okay, so add 5 plus 2.
2-digit numbers.
5 in your mind, 2 on the fingers. After 5,
7.
6, 7. Okay, 7, 10. Next to tens place, Ivania.
4 and 2.
4 and 2. Okay, so how to add 4 plus 2? 4 in our mind, 2 in our fingers, 6. So this is 67.
7, ma'am.
Yes, 67.
Now we have to write the box.
No need to draw the box.
We need to write this.
Yeah, write this question. Question number A.
Then how will add, ma'am?
How we will add? We have to start adding from the ones place. Just now I told you. You didn't hear? Ones place we have to add first. Okay. So which are the ones place numbers? 5 and 2. So add 5 plus 2 first. 5 in our mind, 2 in our fingers. After
7.
6, 7. So in the ones place we got 7. Then move to the tens place, 4 and 2. So add 4 plus 2, 4 in our mind, 2 in our fingers.
8.
After 4,
What is the next one, ma'am?
7. So, sorry. After 4, 5,
Very simple.
7. Okay. Next question. Question number B. The next question onwards, I'm not drawing the boxes. You have to write it properly. 54 plus 23. Who is calling? Please mute everyone. Please mute. Next question is 54 plus 23.
I can say the answer.
Wait. I will call you one by one.
Ma'am, see the question.
Wait. I'll give you next question. Wait. Let everyone complete.
Fardeen.
Yes, Fardeen. Fardeen, finish. Have you completed?
77.
77. Very good. Once, please. 4 plus 3. How to add 4 plus 3? 4 mind. 3 in our fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then in tens place 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 also we got the answer 7. So very good, Fardeen. 77 is the correct answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Ma'am, we should write the TO in gray,
Ma'am,
green and red.
the answer?
Hmm? Sorry.
First TO and answer.
Question?
Answer.
Question answer 77. Question number C. Right, tens and ones. The numbers are 52 plus 47. And one more I am writing. After that, do the next one. Yes.
99.
Wait. I will ask.
Ma'am, can Prithvi see the answer?
Wait, Prithvi. Let everyone complete.
We should write the other one.
Yes. Question number D also you have to write.
Ma'am, question number D, Abhinav's answer. Five, 4, 5.
Is Naumika present? Naumika? Is Naumika present? No. Lakshana? Lakshana is there? Yes, okay. Then what about Esther Biju? Esther Biju? Hamdan? Hamdan is present or not?
Present.
Okay. Ishan Krishna? Ishan Krishna? Is Ishan Krishna present? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Then Johan Sijo. Johan Sijo.
Ma'am, Prithvi is present.
Yes, yes, yes. I noted some names. Those who can't see, that's why I'm asking.
Ma'am Abhinav present.
Lamis.
Ma'am, which class?
Max class.
Okay. So let me ask to Sai Krishna. Please unmute, my dear Sai Krishna.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, tell me the question answer. C. C. Question number C. What is the answer you got?
Okay, ma'am. 99.
How to add these numbers? 52 plus 47. Sai Krishna.
Ma'am, 99.
Only Sai Krishna. Please be mute.
11%.
Please mute. Sai Krishna, please tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer? 2 plus 7.
2 plus 7.
How to add the bigger number in your mind? Which is the bigger number? 7. 7 in your mind. 7 in your mind. 2 on the fingers. After 7, count 8.
All finished. Next question. 10.
Yes, 9. After 7, 8, 9. Then
9.
tens place, 5 plus 4. How to add 5 plus 4? Sai Krishna. Others, please mute. 9. Okay, very good. So the answer is 99. Okay, 99. I hope everyone got the correct answer. The next question for Hala. Hala Shrin. Hala, please unmute and tell what is the answer you got. Hala.
Ma'am, Hala is absent.
Hala.
Ma'am, she saw answer. Ma'am, Katie.
I saw Hala is sitting there.
Hala is absent, ma'am. Absent.
And the name Hala.
Hala Shirin is absent. Ma'am is present.
That's Hala. Please raise your hand. Tell me the answer. Hala. Are you there? Sorry. Okay. Next chance for
Ma'am, Hala is there.
like there. Then why she is not responding? Shankar, please tell me the answer. Shankar.
Ma'am, Hala is here. I think so. It is 97.
So 6 plus 1 is 7.
Ma'am, is
9. Okay. So the answer is 97. Very good. Correct answer.
I got it. Correct answer.
Yes, yes, yes. Everyone got correct answer, right? The next question.
Correct.
Next question. Question number E. "55 plus 24. All of you please write the next question. 55 plus 24. Prithvi, are you writing? Prithvi, please write fast and tell me the answer of this one. Prithvi, are you writing?
Ma'am, Abhinav sir answer. Minute, ma'am. Ma'am, Abhinav sir answer.
Wait. 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 I will ask you one by one.
Ma'am, you said to me to answer.
Prithvi, no? Yes, Prithvi.
The answer is 79.
79. Okay, let's check. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 7. Very good, Prithvi. Correct answer. Yes, correct answer. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
F, ma'am, the F question.
Yes, one more question is there today. Question number F. 36 plus 13.
Ma'am, Abhinav says.
Okay. Next chance for Abhinav. Please tell. Okay. Is Vivek Kumar is there? Vivek Kumar.
Seven, 8, 9.
Sankalp. Sankalp.
3 fingers.
Ryan Salish. Ryan Salish.
7, 8. Ma'am, I don't get chance, ma'am.
Ma'am, our everything is finished.
No. See, Abhinav, where is Abhinav? Please tell me the answer. How to add these numbers? Starting from the ones place, 6 plus 3. How to add 6 plus 3? 6. Now mind. 3 fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So which number will come here? 9.
9.
Yes. Then tens place. Abhinav. 3 plus 1.
9. 4.
4. Very good.
49.
49 is the answer. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Correct answer.
Okay. So all of you got correct answer, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So now everyone know how to add 2-digit numbers, right?
Ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am.
any doubt,
Yes.
anyone?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am. No, ma'am.
Write one more sum.
Now it's the time to wind up the session. So next I will give in the next class.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You want
Ma'am.
no?
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay. So it's the time to wind up today's session. So I hope everyone understood today's.
Bye.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.